All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. Hi, so, all right, guys, let's go ahead and begin with our lesson planning. All right, Isaac, if you'll grab your stuff quietly, because we're just starting, and you'll need your worksheet that we had the last one. Okay, guys, here we go. My beforehand is my left hand, my afterhand is my right hand. What is the initial letter in the alphabet? A. What is the final letter in the alphabet? E. What are the two middle letters? M. Okay, and everything in between is the medial. So how many letters in the alphabet? 26. What are the two kinds of letters?
Vowels and consonants.
Vowels and consonants. Okay, if you go ahead and get out your strip, your ABC strip. Sorry, I didn't tell you about that.
What about?
Your ABC strip. Don't need the tray, but you will need your strip. Okay? David, did you get your strip? Your ABC strip, it's in your on your brown folder, okay? All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to, with our before finger, have it on the A, our after finger on the what? N. Okay, guys, get ready. Anthony, you need to have that down. Okay? Before finger on the A, after finger on the N. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you. Okay, now, go ahead and take out your ABC letters. We are going to put them, the blue ones, okay? I know you were going to ask me that. The blue ones, we're going to place them in a semicircle with the anchor letters first. Okay? In a semicircle with the anchor letters. What are our anchor letters? A and Z. Hold the back bust. Oh, okay. We want it in a semicircle, half circle. Yes, and make sure that you have the room, Anthony. We have it just like this. Okay, we have A towards the bottom, Z towards the bottom, and you have enough room to make that semicircle. You're going to be making sure that you are naming and placing the letters in sequence order. Make sure that you're anchoring, and we're going to do it in a semicircle, and you're going to name and place the letters. So I should be hearing A, B, C, wherever you're at right now. And if you need to, David, I have my alphabet strip up there, okay? You naming a place, and I know exactly where you're at, okay? I'm done. Okay, thank you. And just keep them like that.
Q, R, S, Why are you going to guys, I want to put them away already.
Email shortly. We're almost done, okay? Quickly, let's finish that up. Where's your Y? It's in between your M and N that's stuck there. There you go.
I don't have an S.
I know, you told me the last time you to find it. Okay, guys, we're almost done with that. You just got those three left. Right here, you said. Okay, so looking at our semicircle, we're going to be using these, and we're going to be naming letters in random order. What does random mean? Out of order. The sequence means in order, okay? You put them in sequence, in a sequencing, okay? But we're going to put them in random, I'm going to be naming letters in random order. So if I say I will point to I, and then I will say J comes after I, okay? So, Jocelyn, D, okay? Next time, say the letter that I gave you first, okay?
I didn't.
Did you? Okay. All right, thank you. Anthony, N. Point to it and say it. So I gave you this one, so you say, you just point to it, okay? And you said N. Okay, now you're gonna tell me what comes after it. O comes after N. So O comes after N. Say that. Okay, David. T. Point to it. Echo and point.
T comes after S.
So I just gave you T. So you point to it, and you're gonna say U comes after T.
U comes after T.
Okay, Josiah. F.
G comes after S.
Okay. All right, Isaac. Y. Point to it. Okay, now tell me the letter that comes after that. Z is after Y. Okay. Anthony, I'm going to give you another one. A. Point to it. What letter comes after it? It'll say, no. The letter after it.
B.
B comes after.
B comes after A.
There you go. Okay, guys, go ahead and put those back quickly in your bag. We do not have to put them in alphabetical order. We're just placing them quickly. Yeah.
We're not throwing them on the floor.
So looking at that, I'm just going to pick another letter. The letter after N is what?
O.
O. And my after hand is my right hand. Yes, because we're constantly going. My forehand is my left hand, my after hand is my right hand. Put those away. Yes. You got it put away? You don't need your ABC script anymore.
No.
Okay, guys, everybody able to see David? Don't wait. Same thing, Anthony? Okay, let's go ahead and say our advanced reading deck. Ready? Go.
S. N. D. F. L. D. O. N. P. V. V. Diagram D. Diagram N. R. U. K. E, D, W, M, I.
It seems like it, right? All right, let's go ahead and go over our initial reading deck. Keyword and sound. Here we go.
Cup, scissors, paper, leaf, zipper, nose, table, writing, octopus, watch, dog, fish, umbrella, elephant, apple, sun, mother, hat, igloo, rabbit, violin, kite, socks, nest, gate, bat, moth, king, sink,
Good job, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our suffix discovery. Okay. A base word is the simplest form of the English word, plus a suffix is a letter or letters that are added to the end of the base word to change its form or usage. So a base word plus a suffix is a derivative, okay? I'm going to write some words on the board. Tell me what letters you see alike at the end of all of these words. H-A-T-L-E-S-S. B, let me write these out, please. B-E-L-T-L-E-S-S. And R-I-N-G-L-E-S-S. So what letters do we see alike at the end of all these words? L-E-S-S, and we call that less. So if we cover less for all of these, will we have a base word left? I've got hat, belt, ring. Do we have a base word left? Yes. So these words here are called derivatives, okay? So, and these words, and less is a suffix. Does less begin with a vowel or a consonant? A consonant, okay? This is a consonant. So we're going to be calling this a consonant suffix. Let's echo each derivative and listen for the sounds in the suffix that it makes. Hatless, echo. Beltless. Ringless. Okay, what sound did you hear in less? That's the letters. What sounds did you hear in L? So in the base word, plus the L-E-S-S, you heard, I'm not heard, it makes the sound okay, so that's what the sounds that you heard, okay? A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of the base word to change its form or usage. Let's see if we can discover the meaning. If we add less to the base word that is a noun, it means without. The key word is going to be hatless. So that's what we want to think. Hatless meaning without. Okay, so here's our card. Less. It's a consonant suffix. The key word means without. All right, now up here, and I'm going to keep it in purple, but we have here our suffix vowels and our suffix with consonants. Okay, David? So since we said less is a consonant suffix, I'm going to put it here. L-E-S-S. Less. So what does less mean? Without. And the key word is hatless. Hatless. Okay? Got to remember to keep that there, or I'm going to be looking for it later. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and we're about to code. And when we code, we want to make sure that we are using our vowel chart. Okay? Now let's look at here. We have a vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. A vowel in an open accented syllable is long, coded with a macron. Okay? Now, we also are going to have some, if we see a digraph in G, it's going to be read, We're going to code it with a what? We're going to underline digraph in G. That's basically it. Okay? And we also are going to see if we have the letter C and it comes before an A, O, U, or any other consonant, it's going to be read with a cold C with a K back. Okay? All right. So let's look at this. It's kind of messed up now. All right, let's go ahead and code this. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, code it with a breathe. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, code it with a breathe. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, code it with a breathe. Underline digraph in G. Hatless, beltless, ringless. Okay, go ahead and get out your sheet, which is the code and read words. Code and read words. It is page 117. Okay, not the code and read sentences, but just the code and read. Yes, sir. Okay, so we're going to code that. I'm going to code the first one. Yeah. So let's go ahead and look at that. I'm going to do the first one. You write over it. Okay, here we go. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, code it with a breathe. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, code it with a breathe. Underline digraph in G. Hatless, wingless. Okay? Jocelyn, do number 2, please.
Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe. Ringless, beltless.
Okay. Isaac, can you do number 3, please? Hold on 1 second. After you said the box less and you said a vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe, we also have code C with a K back. Okay, now finish the other word. Rita? There you go. Anthony, do number 4, please.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is a breathe. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is a breathe.
What else is there? Okay, now read it.
Soundless, meaningless.
Okay. Josiah, number 5, please.
Box less.
A vowel.
Vowel
Closed syllable.
closed syllable.
Short.
Short. Coded with a breathe.
Mhm. Box.
Box suffix less.
A vowel in a
Vowel
closed.
in a consonant.
Closed syllable
Closed syllable.
is short.
Is short, coded with a breathe.
Okay, read them.
Endless, meaningless.
No, this was your word. Bandless.
Helpless.
Helpless, there you go. And David, number 6, please.
One word.
We're coding first. Box suffix,
Box suffix less.
a vowel.
A vowel in a closed syllable is short, coded with a breathe.
Next one.
Box
Box.
suffix less and a vowel close solution to
Read it.
sunless, graveless.
Grassless. Grassless. Okay, so we know that if we have a base word plus the suffix less, it's going to be read o-s. Okay, and we will box the suffix. All right, now I'm going to write some new words on here. And again, I want you to tell me what letters you see alike at the end of these words. G, L, A, D, N, E, S, 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 A, D, N, E, S, S, and S, T, I, F, F, N, E, S, S. What letter or letters do you see at the end of these words? N-E-S-S. All right, so on here, we have the base word plus N-E-S-S. All right, so if we cover ness, we will have it, we have a base word left.
Yes.
Glad, sad, stiff. We do, okay? So these words are derivatives, okay? And ness is a suffix. Does ness begin with a vowel or a consonant? A consonant, once again. So it is called a consonant suffix, okay? Echo each derivative and listen for the sounds that the suffix makes. Gladness, sadness, stiffness. Okay. What's ness makes the sounds what? Okay. Eh. Eh. Okay. Now, excuse me. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a base word to change its form or usage. Let's see if we can discover the meaning of ness. If we add ness to a base word that is an adjective, it means the quality of. The key word for this would be kindness, meaning the quality of. Okay, so we have our suffix blue card, ness. It's a consonant suffix. Keyword is kindness, means the quality of. So I'm going to go ahead and add it here under the suffix consonants or consonant suffix. And I'm going to go ahead and put it here, N-E-S-S, for ness, the quality of, the keyword kindness. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to code the bottom of the lesson 20. Knowing that we're going to code to code a derivative, we're going to box the suffix first and then code the base. All right, so let's look at this one. That's okay. So we're going to box suffix ness, a vowel and a close syllable is short, code it with a brief. Box suffix ness, say it with the ness. A vowel and a close syllable is short, code it with a brief. Box suffix ness. A vowel and a close syllable is short, code it with a brief. Gladness, sadness, stiffness. Okay? Yeah. All right, go ahead and let's look at the bottom of this part. You should have that there with you, okay? So, looking at here, I have again, we have the base word plus ness is read n-x. All right, I'm going to do the first one. Box suffix ness, a vowel and a closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Box suffix ness, a vowel and a closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Isaac, number 2, please. Oh, sorry, let me read my word, sorry. Redness, slimeness. Okay, now you do that. Anthony, number 3. Rita? Fondness. David, number 4.
Number 4 or not?
On the bottom part, we're dealing with ness. Number 4.
Or very close to the
Box suffix ness.
box suffix ness.
A vowel and a close.
Box suffix ness. And a vowel and a close over short.
Read it, please.
Glad ness.
Mm-hmm. Fastness. Good. Josiah, number 5. Box.
Box ness.
Suffix.
Suffix
Yes.
ness.
A vowel.
A vowel and a consonant.
A closed syllable.
Close syllable. Close with a reed.
Mm-hmm.
Box suffix ness. A vowel and a consonant.
In a closed syllable.
Close syllable. Close with a reed.
Read it.
Fairness.
Gruffness. Gruffness. Okay. And Jocelyn, number 6. All right, good job. So closing on this part, a base word plus the consonant suffix ness is read n-s. All right. David? Okay. Let's go ahead and look at your instant words, guys. The practicing columns. Go ahead and turn there to your instant words. It's there in the staple sheet. It's there in your staple sheet. Keep going. Keep looking. I gave it to you the last time. Maybe it's still in the folder, guys. Because I didn't. Look in your. You got yours. Good. You have yours. Yeah, you can find your. Okay. Make sure that's the right one. Hold on. Yes. Anthony, not yet. Did you find it? So when we're practicing in columns, we're reading the words from top to bottom. And it should say 21 to 40. Right? Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and read the first column from top to bottom. You will echo with me. Okay. Let me say it and then you echo. At. Be. This. Have. From. Or. One. Have. By. Word. But. Not. What. All. Were. We. When. Your. Can. Said. All right. Josiah, number 2. Column 2.
Be, as, or, as, word, not, all, we, your, said, at, is, from, one, by, but, what, where, when, can.
Okay. Anthony, 3. Column 3.
Have, one, word, what, we can, be, this, from, or, had, by, but, not, all, for, said, where, when.
Okay. 4. Isaac. Column 4. Jocelyn, 5. Column 5.
Word, by, had, one, or, this be absent, can Jordan be where we're not at all?
And David, call up one, please.
At B, this have from on, one have had butter, might not have what on there. We, when your can say.
All right, thank you. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead, you can put that off to the side. Well, you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the sentences in just a moment. Let's go ahead and review about a sentence. Let me erase this one piece here. All right. A sentence, okay, begins with a capital letter, ends with a punctuation mark, has a subject and predicate, and forms a complete thought. We pause at commas, stop at periods, change the pitch of our voice when reading a question mark or an exclamation point. Okay, so in this sentence here, we are going to have some instant words that we will be circling and we will not be coding in all of the sentences. Our instant words are, I was saying the word are, T-H-E, the, T-O, to, W-A-S, was, and O-F, of. So we have instant word the, to, was, and of. All right, now before we do, there are some things that we need to kind of go over just to make sure. So we know that if we have a vowel in an open accented syllable is long, code it with a macron. And also, if we have an A in a phrase or a sentence, it's going to be read code it with a what? A tittle. Okay, a tittle. So let's look at number one. I'm going to do number one. Code it with me. Okay. A vowel in an open accented syllable is long. Code it with a macron. You should be putting that right now. Circle instant word was. A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a three. Code A with a tittle. Okay, David, do you know where we're at?
I did not know.
We are in, sorry guys, code and read sentences. Okay, if that's not where you're at right now, code and read sentences. Josiah, you'll go to code and read sentences, please. So I'm doing number one, okay? I'll go ahead and start again on that one, okay? A vowel in an open accented syllable is long. Code it with a macron. Circle instant word was. A vowel in a close. I'm doing number one. That's all. Just as an example, okay? A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a brief. Code A with a tittle. Make sure you put a tittle. Box suffix less. A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a brief. A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a brief. A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a brief. Circle instant word the. A vowel in a closed syllable is short. Code it with a brief. Code C with a payback. Okay, and I had that up there earlier. All right, I was in a strapless dress at the club. Anthony, number two. In a closed syllable. Code it with a brief. What did we say about code A with a tittle? Brief.
The thickness of the vowel is a must.
Okay. Isaac, number three. Code it, please. And close. Read it. That. Okay, Jocelyn, number 5. We're going to 5.
Circle is the word the box suffix less a line for the circle degree. Box circle is the word of. Circle is the word of a line for the circle degree. Circle is the word was. Box suffix in box suffix in a line for the circle degree. The stillness of the mist was guilty.
Okay, Josiah, number 7, please.
Yeah.
Circle,
Circle.
instant,
Is the word no?
box,
Box. Suffix. Yes.
a vowel,
Yeah.
closed syllable,
What would it be?
a vowel,
Yeah.
closed syllable,
What would it
short,
short?
with a 3, cold C,
What did you say that?
circle,
Circle is the word.
was,
Box.
box suffix,
Suffix.
ing,
In.
a vowel,
About close.
syllable, short,
Short. Cold.
a vowel,
Yeah.
then a closed, circle,
Circle.
a vowel,
About
closed,
close.
syllable.
The
Now read it.
helpless
Cub,
club was something. The good.
Lynn. And number 9, David. Number 9. We're on number 9.
I am on number 9.
On code and read sentences. Okay, number 9, there's no boxing. Circle,
Circle.
instant word,
Done. A
vowel.
vowel close over short close green. A vowel close.
Wait. Okay, I just should have put it up here because I've noticed several of them, okay? If you have a C before an A, O, U, or any other consonant, it's going to be read with a cold C with a K back. You have that, David.
Oh yeah.
So how do you code the C?
You get the K back.
You have a suffix first in there. So box suffix.
Box suffix.
What's the suffix in there? S. Sit up. Box suffix S. And then you can.
on the other. Box suffix S. A good.
A vowel.
The vowel close over short to the B.
Okay, David, you know what? I noticed another thing on yours. Okay, you ended up getting more. Okay, if we have an N before the sound, it's going to be read Code N with a G tail, okay? So after you said a vowel and a closed syllable is short, code it with a brief, code in with a G tail.
Code N with a G tail. And then
Circle,
suffix,
instant word,
the,
of, we have up there. Okay, and then the next one,
I don't see up on there.
right here, O,
Oh, sorry. And then circle instant word the. Closed syllable is short coded with the brief. Code instant word was. And then circle instant word was. And then
where are you at? Oh, you're trying to do number 10, David. Wasn't asking for number 10.
I'm sorry. I did them all.
All right, so let's go ahead. I'll finish that for you for number 9. After circle and instant word the, box suffix S, a vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. All right, hold on. Number 9, that's my fault, David. Let's go to number 8 because I didn't introduce a lot of those. That's why I was like wondering why that happened there. So number 8, a vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Everybody number 8 on that? Okay. And then we go a vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Okay, I'm on the 3rd word. A vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Code A with a tittle. Box suffix ness. A vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. A vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. A vowel and closed syllable is circle instant word to, and a vowel and closed syllable is short, code it with a brief. Hold on. Did Scott sell a fitness plan to him? Okay. All right, guys. We're not done yet. Let's go to 20.1 quickly. 20.1 on your rap sheet. This doesn't take very long. Our rap sheet, guys. 20.1. Okay, what do we notice? What do we notice on the top section? They end with the suffix, consonant suffix less. I'm going to read the first part. You echo. Endless, brimless, hatless, spotless, gutless. Okay, Jocelyn. Second one. Brimless. Josiah, 3rd one. Hatless. No, you're on. You need 20.1. Hatless.
Endless, spotless, gutless,
Brimless. Isaac, the 4th one. Gutless. Okay, Anthony, go ahead and go to the first one on the top again. David, 2nd one. Come on, follow along. 2nd one. Here, go. Gutless.
endless, spotless, brainless, and
Hatless. Okay, echo the second section. What do we notice on the second section? We all ended the ness. Consonant suffix ness. Here we go. Dullness. Sadness. Wetness. Fitness. Oddness. Anthony, 2nd one.
Sadness, fitness, dullness, oddness, wetness.
Josiah, 3rd one.
Oddness,
Wetness.
sadness,
Whoa,
dullness.
we're on wetness. Wetness.
Oh, wetness, oddness, fitness, sadness, dullness.
Jocelyn.
Wait. fitness, wetness, sadness, oddness, dullness.
Okay. David, in the middle section, top one again. Dullness,
Dullness,
Don't put it away.
sadness, weakness, wetness,
fitness now.
fitness, oddness.
Okay, now, Isaac, go ahead and read on the bottom section. They're all mixed up, so go ahead and read the first one on the bottom section. Gutless,
Wetness, oddness,
okay, Anthony, second one from the bottom.
Dullness, dullness,
Dullness,
dullness, sadness, softness, gutless.
okay, wetness, sadness, fitness, hatless, dullness, and Josiah, finish up.
The fitness, briefness, oddness, endless, happiness.
All right, go ahead and put everything away, guys. Thank you very much.
Now, is the confidence, so what time is it?
It's, hold on.